Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to accept only alphabet for contact form 7 field in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will do this using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to add validation to accept alphabet only. Now in search plugin write jQuery validation for contact form 7. So this is plugin jQuery validation for contact form 7 we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. So plugin is activated. On left side you see contact and then you see contact form. So click on it. So we are using this form. So click on edit. Now form is open and we are going to add class. Now go to plugin documentation. So this is plugin documentation. Now you see validation method and then you see letter only. So we are using free version of this plugin. So on screen you see when you need to validate alphabet only, use class letters only. So it's validate letters. Now back to form again. Now we are going to add class. So this is format to add class in field. Now you see class colon letters only. So you can add this class in any field according to your requirement. Now we added this class in this field also. Now you see class colon letters only and then click on save. Now contact form save done. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now fill the form. You see we added some information. Now add name 1 2 3 and then mix alphabet and numbers and then click on submit. Now you see message letters only please in both fields. And you can try different combination with alphabet and number, but this only accept alphabet. Just add jQuery plugin and then add class in your field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.